Hello everybody, Chris here, and in this video I wanted to take a brief look at the Aden theme for WordPress with you guys. So this is a premium theme that you can pick up on ThemeForest. And the first thing you notice is that if you look at the top header, that it's kind of going for a travel blog style of theme, which is something I think is pretty cool. I've myself considered starting up a travel blog at some point in time. But as we scroll down, you'll notice of all the things that really stand out on the Aden theme to me, it's the font choice. It just seems really clean. I'm actually curious what font is running here because I want it for myself. Hold on a minute. Playfair display. So that's the header font, and then beneath that we have, let's go down here, font type, Open Sans. So Open Sans and Playfair display. Interesting. Um, Overall, the theme is relatively simplistic. If we go over to the customizer, you'll notice that there's a fair amount of options. Probably what most people are looking for is going to be included here, but it's not really too overwhelming in my opinion. If you go to the WP admin with just Aden theme installed, you'll notice it doesn't add any extra menus or anything like that, which is one of the annoyances I have with some premium themes. They add too much crap over here on the left. In the Aden theme, you'll notice that there are a lot of social media buttons for sharing posts built straight into the theme, nothing else externally needed. And we can go down here to the bottom and you can see very visible social share buttons for the site specifically. So we go to the social media part of the customizer and you can put in any links that may be associated with your main website. And there's quite a few here. Also, if you'd rather not install an entire plugin for Google Analytics to be supported on your site, you can copy your Google Analytics code in here in the Customizer menu as well, which can be a bit of a helpful feature. You might be surprised to know this, but some themes with the copyright down at the bottom actually don't easily allow you to edit what is said there for the copyright, or you wouldn't be able to remove the part about the theme itself. You might not want to make mention of what theme you're using in the copyright, but here there's a section for enter copyrights text, so you're able to customize that to your liking, which is definitely a minor plus. One of the main weaknesses of this theme compared to some of the more popular themes like X theme out there on the market is that the Aden theme seems to be very tied into its default layout. There's not a whole plethora of basically additional default setups you can launch for it. Yeah, you can mess with the colors and change it from its default white and brown theme, but to kind of reorganize everything on the pages doesn't really seem like something that they're really going for here. You can set the header height and things of that nature, but you can't really change this grid into something else. At most, what you're going to get down here in the blog grid options is the ability to set the number of columns. So you can have 1 column or 3 columns if you want. And there are some extra options, but I would say you should be sure that you actually want this grid layout for your site. So that's going to be it for this brief look at the Aden theme that you can pick up on ThemeForest if it interests you. I think this theme overall is going to be best for bloggers who are looking for a lightweight theme, something not too overwhelming, that they can just write high quality content where the text looks very nice. So I've been Chris, thanks for taking a look at the Aden theme with me, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my future video content.